Hey, what's up you guys? My name is megannprosser and today we are going to be setting up a bearded dragon tank. Woo! So today I want to be showing you guys how to set up a bearded dragon tank and basically just redoing Bo's tank. Bo is my bearded dragon. He is a male. He is full grown and he needs a redo. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to remodel the tank, and I guess I'll also show you guys like proper setup for a bearded dragon tank. Okay, let's go. This is a 75-gallon tank that he's in and it is currently a disaster. He just completely went crazy in here. This piece of driftwood I just put in like a day ago and I hate the way it's set up. Like, I can't stand it. So that's also what motivated me to be like, all right, we gotta fix this. And this is like some poop or something that he got on the, I don't know, on the glass. I don't know what he did. So, we're gonna do a remodel on your tank, Bo. You ready?
No.
Alright, so we're just gonna let Bo wander around on the floor. He can do whatever he wants, and we'll get this shebang all done. Okay, so I emptied out the tank almost completely. Just some of the fake vines and stuff I'm gonna leave in there because they're so annoying to stick back on, and sometimes they will never stick back on. They'll just basically like break. I'm gonna use the Handy Dandy Wipeout by Zoomed, if it would focus. So yeah, Wipeout by Zoomed. It is safe for reptiles. I still recommend wiping it down afterwards with like water or something, but it basically, let's see what it does. Disinfectant, cleaner, and deodorizer. Bam, what? So my squirter on this thing stopped working, so I just pour it in, basically. Alrighty, got my paper towel. Let's do this then. Alrighty, so now since I'm done cleaning out the tank, wiping it down a bit, I'm going to add my substrate, which I just use paper towels. I think it's the easiest way to do it. When you have to clean, you just throw it out, put some more down. If you have a mat, sometimes you have to scrub it, just clean and wait for it to dry, and that can get kind of tedious. With the amount of animals I have, this is just the easiest and fastest way for me to do it. Let's put the paper towel down. Alrighty, so now since I got the paper towel down, now it is time to add all of the enrichment. Enrichment is basically just all the things to encourage the animal to thrive and live its best life. So lots of climbing spots, hiding spots, things for it to play with, things for it to crawl on, climb, etc. Things for it to be happy. You know, you're not just gonna put one log in there, a heat bulb, and hope that it's gonna thrive, because it won't. So let's add in everything that Bo loves to do. So this side right over here is Bo's hot side, so that's where I have to put all of the ornaments that are tallest so that he can reach the basking light as close as possible. So right now I'm working on trying to figure out how to reorganize that, because how I had it last time was like fine. It did work. I just like a change of scenery, but it's really hard to like get creative and actually think of new ways to place things when you're so used to having it one way. So we'll see what I do. Okay, so I think this might be the finished product, possibly, maybe. I kind of switched this up, so it's just kind of like a climbing. It's not really a hangout. You can just climb on it, which is kind of fun for him. I added that really cute plant in there, that corner hide, his water dish, then just some climbing stuff over here. The only con is that that hide he cannot fit into because it's so close to this. But it wasn't fitting. Like, even if I put it like long way like that, this whole branch part wouldn't fit in it, so it was just not happening. Like, none of this was working. So pro is that he hates that hide. He literally does not use that hide at all unless he's brumating. So I mean, it's summer now. I guess when it is back in winter, I'll figure out a new setup, but this looks pretty okay for now. I'm pretty pleased. So let me just add the lights, put Bo in, and see how he likes it. Alrighty, so I got Bo all set up in there, and so far he is very happy. He went straight to his little basking spot, which is approximately about 6 inches to a foot below the basking bulb, which is a perfect distance so that he can get enough sun, but also not risk burning himself. So I got that all set up there. And then I put some water in for him, and that's really it, guys. So basically just make sure they have enough space for basking. Make sure the bulb isn't too far away from them and it also isn't too close to them. 6 inches to a foot is perfect distance. Give them lots of climbing, lots of enrichment so they have fun in their tank rather. You can also add in a water bowl if you wanted to. Some bearded dragon owners don't use the water bowl because bearded dragons don't necessarily drink out of them unless they're trained to. Bo is trained to. He grew up on water bowls. I just think it's easier because he also likes to soak in it and he likes to drink from it, so he just likes it, so that's what I have for him. Then a little plant, that's just really for good looks. This is his cold hide and his cold side of the tank. Little hammock over here, some nice floral stuff, and that's basically it. If you guys are wondering about food, I put food usually right there for him to eat. So that's it for me and Bo today. If you guys want more videos on bearded dragons, any type of care for any of the animals I have, I'm sure you guys have seen most of them in all of my videos, just let me know down in the comments below and I will make more videos on them because they're my life. I love talking about them and making videos on them. Right, Bo?
Oh yeah.
So if you guys want to know anything else, just let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!